Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Have you ever tried to convince someone only to be ignored? Or worse, have you ever realized days later that you did exactly what someone else wanted you to do, thinking it was your own idea? That is not luck. That is programming. Society teaches you to be nice, to be polite, to be honest. But while you are playing by the rules, the elite 1% are playing a completely different game. They are using glitches in the human brain to get respect, attraction, and absolute compliance. Today, we are handing you the controller. We will decode 10 psychological weapons used by CEOs, master manipulators, and leaders. Warning: the knowledge you are about to hear is neutral. Like a knife, it can be used to cook a meal or to cause harm. How you use it determines if you are a leader or a manipulator. Number 1. The illusion of choice. If you want a child to eat vegetables, you don't say, "Eat your broccoli." You ask, "Do you want 3 pieces of broccoli or 5?" They will choose 3 and feel happy because they won the negotiation. In reality, you won because they are eating the broccoli. This is the illusion of choice. In the adult world, never ask a yes or no question. It gives them a chance to refuse you. Instead, give them 2 options that both lead to your desired outcome. Should we meet on Tuesday or Wednesday? Do you want to handle the report or the presentation? Either way, the work gets done. You maintain control, but they feel free. That is the perfect prison. Number 2. The Benjamin Franklin effect. Most people think that to make someone like you, you must do favors for them. This is wrong. If you want someone to be obsessed with you, ask them to do a favor for you. This is known as the Benjamin Franklin effect. When someone does a small favor for you, like lending you a pen or explaining a concept, their brain has to justify why they did it. Their subconscious says, "I helped him, so I must like him." It creates an instant bond of investment. Stop serving others to get their approval. Let them serve you and watch their loyalty grow. Number 3. Intermittent reinforcement. Why are slot machines more addictive than ATMs? Because an ATM gives you money every time. A slot machine is unpredictable. This is called intermittent reinforcement. It is the most dangerous tool in dark psychology. If you are always available, always kind, and always responsive, you become boring. You become predictable. But if you are hot and cold, if you validate them today, but withdraw your attention tomorrow, their brain goes into panic mode. They will chase that high of your approval. They don't fall in love with you. They fall in love with the anxiety of losing you. Use this with extreme caution. Number 4. Strategic silence. In any negotiation, the person who speaks the most loses. Silence is a vacuum. Human beings are terrified of it. When you ask a question and get a partial answer, do not speak. Do not nod. Just look them in the eyes and wait. The pressure will become unbearable for them. They will start talking just to fill the silence, usually revealing the truth they were trying to hide or offering a better deal just to end the tension. Silence is not empty. It is heavy. Learn to let it crush your opponent. Number 5. The rejection retreat. This is a classic negotiation tactic used by elite salesmen. If you want someone to agree to a small request, first ask for something huge, something you know they will refuse. Ask to borrow $1,000. They will say,
"No way."
Then, pause, look disappointed and say, "Okay, I understand. Can you at least lend me $50 so I can get home?" They will almost always say yes. Why? Because of the reciprocity principle. When you lowered your demand, their brain perceived it as a concession. They feel a social obligation to meet you halfway. By rejecting the big offer, they feel guilty. The small offer becomes their relief. Number 6. The mirroring effect. People love themselves. The easiest way to hack someone's trust is to become a reflection of them. Mirroring is not just copying their words. It is matching their energy. If they speak slowly, you speak slowly. If they lean back, you lean back. This triggers mirror neurons in their brain. Their subconscious decides, "He is just like me, so I can trust him." It is the fastest way to build rapport. But be subtle. If they catch you doing it, the spell is broken. Number 7. Triangulation. This is often used in dating and office politics to create desire and competition. Never let someone feel like they are the only option in your life. Triangulation is the act of subtly bringing a third person, real or imaginary, into the dynamic to increase your value. If you are on a date, casually mention that someone else was trying to take you out. If you are selling a product, mention that another buyer is very interested. Humans want what others want. If you are easily available to them alone, you are cheap. If you are desired by others, you are a prize to be won. Number 8. The Zeigarnik effect. The human brain hates unfinished tasks. It holds on to them, looping them over and over until they are resolved. You can use this to control attention. Never give all the information at once. If you are telling a story, stop in the middle and say, "I'll tell you the rest later." If you are on a date, end it while the energy is still high, not when it gets boring. By leaving an open loop, you force their brain to keep thinking about you even when you are not there. You become a puzzle they are desperate to solve. Number 9. State transfer. Emotions are contagious. This is a scientific fact, but most people are reactive. They wait to see how others feel before they feel anything. To control a room, you must be the source of the emotion, not the receiver. This is called state transfer. If you walk into a meeting with nervousness, everyone will feel tense. But if you walk in with absolute, relaxed certainty, even if everything is going wrong, people will subconsciously align with your energy. The person with the strongest reality wins. Stop reacting to their stress. Force them to react to your calm. Number 10. Scarcity and absence. Diamonds are just compressed carbon. They are valuable only because they are rare. If you are always accessible, your value drops to zero. In business and in dating, you must create scarcity. Don't answer the phone on the first ring. Don't be available for every meeting. The fear of loss is a stronger motivator than the desire for gain. Make your presence a reward, not a right. Bonus technique: Pavlovian anchoring. Before we finish, here is an advanced technique for those who want to go deeper. You can literally program someone to feel a specific emotion on command. It works just like Ivan Pavlov's famous experiment. Here's how you do it. Wait for a moment when your target is in a peak emotional state, laughing hard, feeling successful, or extremely relaxed. In that exact moment, perform a unique physical action. Tap their shoulder twice in a specific spot, or use a very specific word you don't normally use. Do this 3 or 4 times over a few days. You are creating a neurological link. Later, when they are stressed or neutral, fire the anchor. Tap their shoulder in the exact same way. Their brain will subconsciously recall the previous emotional state. You become the hidden source of their good feelings, without them even knowing why. Conclusion: these tools are powerful, they are sharp, and like any weapon, they can be used to defend or to destroy. Most people will go through life being the chess piece. You have chosen to be the player, but remember, knowing the game is only half the battle. Mastering it takes time. You must observe. You must practice. You must become the person who sees the strings, not the puppet who dances on them. If you are ready to unlock the deeper levels of the human mind and learn the secrets we cannot share in public, subscribe to Psychology Decoded and click this video next to learn how to spot a liar in 3 seconds. Class dismissed.